Hello kids, how are you? Today we will learn alphabet. A. A for apple. A for ant. A for aeroplane. B. B for banana. B for bee. B for bicycle. C. C for cat. C for candy. C for clock. D. D for dog. D for duck. D for drum. E. E for elephant. E for eggs. E for eagle. F. F for flower. F for fish. F for fox. G. G for gorilla. G for gift. G for giraffe. H. H for hen. H for horse. H for house. I for ice cream. I for iguana. I for igloo. J. J for jellyfish. J for jug. J for jackal. K. K for kiwi. K for kite. K for keyboard. L. L for lion. L for ladyfinger. L. L for lemon. M. M for mango. M for monkey. M for mushroom. N. N for nest. N for nut. N for newspaper. O. O for orange. O for onion. O for octopus. P. P for penguin. P for panda. P for parrot. Q. Q for queen. Q for queens. Q for quail. R. R for rabbit. R for rooster. R for raspberry. S. S for strawberry. S for shark. S for sheep. T. T for tiger. T for tomato. T for tree. U. U for unicorn. U for umbrella. U for uncle. V. V for vulture. V for vacuum cleaner. V for violin. W. W for watermelon. W for watch. W for well. X. X for xylophone. X for X-ray. X for a Christmas tree. Y. Y for yellow. Y for yoga. Y for yak. Z. Z for zucchini. Z for zip. Z for zebra. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.